So I've got my waterless vaporizer kit. Let me show you everything that comes with it, which is quite a bit. So over here we do have some bath salts. We've got lavender, spearmint, eucalyptus, and then over here we have actually some steamers here. These actually have 2 tablets in each, so it's a total of 6. Eucalyptus, lavender, and also spearmint. And then we have these pads that I'm going to show you here in a minute, but each packet actually contains 6. And we have menthol, and also lavender, and then we've got some additional pads over here. So this is our plug-in vaporizer. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these pads and we actually put them in the bottom here. You can put 2 pads in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1. It just really depends on how much of a scent that you want. So you just slide them in there, slide them back in the bottom. Once you plug it in, you're gonna have a light here. We do have a button here on the side, and that allows you to adjust the brightness. This button allows you to adjust the heat, and then the plug on the back is actually adjustable too. I love that this has everything that you need. We've got steamers, salts, and then we also have a vaporizer kit with pads. Hope you found this review helpful.